Right here we have a 1/64 scale Code 3 Collectables Freightliner tanker. This one is not decaled as any, apartment, department as of yet. And my battery's down on my phone. Just says Vol Fire Department. I'm assuming obviously volunteer fire department. The customer is going to decal it. I think Virginia Beach. I can't remember. I think it's Virginia Beach Fire Department. He's going to put the decals on. This one does have some lighting installed, which is obviously why we were on here. Flashing headlights, red strobes in the grill, red strobe light bar, triple strobe in the grill and the light bar as well. Nothing on the side. Customer didn't want any on the side. Strobes in the tail lights, and then a flashing caution, like a yellow beacon, and then a red one up top, both of those flashing. Again, strobes on the back. This is hooked up, or built for 15 volts AC, so it will run on most trained power supplies anyway. They're AC. Like I said, it has been converted over to run on that. So I'll go ahead and add some power to this thing here. And I do have all your wire on there too, Brian. So you said you wanted 18 inches of wire, so that's what we got. Go ahead and turn it on. Of course, first thing you're going to notice is that my camera doesn't pick the strobes out very well. But anyway, you see the flashing headlights, and then you see your strobes in the grill. Again, very distinct patterns in person. They can be detected a lot better. Those are actually triple strobe, and of course strobes on the light bar up top. A couple of different patterns with that. Go to the back. There's strobes on the rear. Again, those are triple strobe. And then these are just random flashing. Something looked like it was sitting crooked because we're sitting on the wire. There we go. They were just random flashing LEDs here up top. Again, I thought just a slow flash would kind of break up the strobe patterns a little bit, so just added those. And yes, I can't hardly talk. It's what time it is, but it's fairly late. 2:57. Look at my wonderful phone and my dead groundhog I shot, and my awful phone. Look at that. So, Brian, you see what time it is. Just now finishing up and doing a video, so you better appreciate this one. Alright, again, these can be done 15 volts, 9 volts. Some of them can have a battery installed inside. All depends on the type of truck it is. You know, a real small battery. Again, you don't want to put the battery in there so small that it runs for 5 minutes and poops out on you. So that's why most of the train guys like them hooked with a power cable or wires, so they can be hooked and they don't have to worry about ever changing the battery. So anyway, Brian, I appreciate it. I'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow so you can have it, and appreciate all the orders. I'm going to bed.